Hello, welcome to my Abacus English tutorial channel. I'm going to do exercises of all techniques, and this is episode number 15, and I'm going to use this small pocket beautiful my hand abacus, and I'm not going to explain any techniques here. Okay, I'm just doing exercises to show how to use abacus. If you want to learn techniques, you have to watch another episodes. Please check my playlist or description box. Okay, so no more conversation, let's start. Questions are on your screen. Question number 1. First you have to make 0 position. 89. So this is my marked rod. Okay, so I'm starting from this rod. 89. Next is 20 and 121. I added here. Minus 42. This is minus 40 and this is minus 2. Add 99. Add 40 and 3. 210 is your answer. Question number 2. 6, 8, 68. 42. This is 40. And this is 2. Minus 33. This is 30 minus. And this is 3 minus. Add 90 and 1. Add 42. This is 40. And this is 2. 210 is your answer. Question number 3. 4, 3, 43. This is 60. And for 7, this is minus 33. This is minus 30. And for 3, this one. Add 11. Add 22. This is 20. This is 2. 110 is your answer. So I'm applying all those techniques like how to borrow 5, how to borrow 10, how to add and subtract in 3-step addition and subtraction, and how to add and subtract 4-step addition and subtraction, how to borrow 100, how to borrow 50, how to borrow how to make 50 plus, and how to make 5 plus, all those techniques which I taught before these episodes. Okay, so you have to watch those episodes to understand what I am doing on this abacus. Question number 3. Question number 4. 92. This is 60 and this is 5. 65. 22 I added here. 31. Add, this is 30 and this is for 1. Minus, this is 20 and this is for 1. 189 is your answer. Question number 5. 34. Add 55, add 20 and this is 1. 21 minus, this is 20 and this is 2. Add 72, this is for 70 and this is for 2. 160 is your answer. Question number 6. 79, this is for 30 and this is for 1. Minus, this is 20 and this is 2. Add 88. Add 34. 210 is your answer. Next. Question number 7. 1 8 18. 5 8 58. This is 30 and this is 4. 34 minus 42. This is 40. This is 2. Add, this is 50 and this is 7. 1 2 5 is your answer. Question number 8. 9 6 96. Add 1 3 13. Add 2 6 26. Add 8 585 and add 4 to 42. 262 is your answer. Question number 9. 57, 22. This is 80 and this is for 7. 44 minus 21. This is for 20 and this is for 1. 189 is your answer. So do these exercises by yourself one more time, and if you feel any difficulties, please contact me or message me through the Facebook page. You can get links in the description box, and keep learning and do not comment on my English language. See you again in the next video. Ta-da!